Hey everybody, this is Glenn Holland. I'm here at the Greenberg Train and Toy Show in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, and I'm doing a review video of my Crusader locomotive with sound. So this locomotive I built myself, and then a friend helped me put a sound system in. The sound system is from Dallee Electronics. It is their new Highline Steam sound system, and it works beautifully with the Lego system. So let's get into it. So here's the model. It's your standard streamlined 462 Pacific type locomotive. I have the sound system, the sound card rather, in about here of the locomotive. The entire locomotive is built as a hollow shell, so I was able to fit the sound system, speaker, and any other hardware inside of the locomotive. So the sound card sits about here. I have a speaker that sits directly over the middle driver. The battery is a standard Lego rechargeable battery. And the custom connector here that goes to the sound card, I have operating off of the Lego infrared system, cut up a power functions wire, connected it to the custom connector. That connector runs into the sound card, and with that I'm able to control pretty much all the sounds on the sound card. The locomotive has a button, which is basically just an extension of the sound card. Using this, I'm able to adjust the volume and several other different things. I'm able to reprogram the whistle and the bell if I wish, but right now I've got it set to the prototypical whistle and bell for this locomotive. So, I guess we'll go ahead and start it up. That's about as loud as it'll go. The lights I have are custom from Life Lights. You can find them online. The headlight does work, although I've been having a lot of problems with it recently, so it's not on as of right now. Got the entire car set with me. Got a lot of good sound. It has safety valve sounds, ball cock sounds. When you start the locomotive up, you'll notice that the first 8 chuff hits are when the ball cocks are opened. The chuff rate is a magnetized rotation sensor that's fitted to the rear axle. Every time the wheel turns once, it will chuff twice. The additional hardware that I have in this, besides the soundboard in the shell of the locomotive, is custom built to let me let the sound card interpret input on this function of the Lego remote. So the way I have it set up is I turn the remote this way, I activate the whistle, I can leave it on as long as I want. The other way activates the bell, and it latches, so I can leave it on as long as I want as well. And to turn it off, I just hit the same spot on the remote again. Alright, I believe that's everything. We can start up the locomotive now. Oh well. I guess it can't all go smoothly the first time. Now let's fire it up for real. The car set is very heavy, so that's why I'm having to turn the knob several clicks before it actually starts moving. Sound system is very actually loud. I can hear it from a good ways away from the layout itself.
Oh, you wanted the software to work. Oh, well, that's going to be at least another 6 months. Underside of that plate.
Which is like as old school as you can get building a company.
It's pretty straightforward.
Well, the trick is to make sure that
usually it's best to attach it directly.
I'm a major start stripping for the
Oh, there it is, the Reading Crusader with sound from Dallee Electronics. I give it a 10 out of 10. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Be sure to like and tell your friends if you're into this stuff, and I'll talk to you guys later.